Hello everyone. Today, let's read a fun story together. Lily wanted to make pancakes. It was her first time. She went to the kitchen. "I can do this," she said. She got a bowl, flour, eggs, and milk. She mixed everything together. Oops! The mix was too runny. She added more flour. Now, it was too thick. Lily giggled. "Okay, let's try again." She put the mix in a hot pan. The first pancake was a funny shape. It looked like a cloud. The second one got a little burnt. It was round and golden. It was perfect. Lily put syrup on her perfect pancake and took a big bite. It was delicious. She learned something important that day. Even if you fail at first, keep trying. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.